Your turn.
My question is about the Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 98. Why
She'll become your pupil, you know.
Why Gabriel is also known as Khul al-Qudus and Khur al-Amin?
Ruh al-Qudus.
Ruh al-Qudus.
And Ruh al-Amin.
That's right. Inshallah, but you're suffering from cold?
Yes.
Why didn't you take medicine from us?
I think I have taken some for my head because I have a headache too. So I have.
You have taken from where?
From the dispensary.
The dispensary?
Yes.
But it seems that they have not given you the right medicine.
Yeah.
You should have been cured immediately.
Yeah.
So you better contact my office and get the right medicine. Eh?
Yeah.
I'll advise you. You're all right. Strong man.
So our question is related to this verse of Surah Al-Baqarah number 98. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qul man kana aduwwan li Jibrila fa innahu nazzalahu ala qalbika bi iznillahi musaddiqan lima bayna yadayhi wa khudam wa bushra lil mu'minin. Translation is, say, whoever is an enemy to Gabriel, for he it is who has caused it to descend on thy heart by the command of Allah, fulfilling the revelation which precedes it, and is a guidance and glad tiding to the believers. She wants to...
First of all, this verse should be explained. Yeah. Jibraeel, according to the Holy Quran, is the archangel who is responsible for safely conducting the message of God to his prophets. This is a very important verse which speaks of the general phenomenon as such, which relates to all the prophets and their prophecies. So whoever denies a prophet automatically denies the archangel who brought the prophecy. And as such he becomes an enemy to the purpose of Jibraeel. His purpose is negated, his exercise is negated. So if people deny his exercise, the purpose for which he was created and is employed by Allah, then they should remember that as they are his enemies, he would be their enemies. And Jibraeel is all powerful over people as compared to the people's insignificance. So he will destroy, he will see to it that he will destroy those who reject prophets. So this phenomenon of destruction of the people or the frustration of the people who try to frustrate the message of prophets is also mentioned in this verse. Why it will so happen? Because Jibraeel will see to it. So he appears not only to be the archangel who brings the message, but he is also responsible for whatever follows in establishing that message in the world. So it's a very revealing verse. Normally people do not relate it to Jibraeel, whatever follows. But this verse tells us that the messenger is also responsible for the implementation of message. And whoever rejects it will be defeated completely in all his attempts to frustrate the message of Jibraeel. Understand? What is your question?